Hurry guys, we gotta get in. Hurry guys, we gotta get in here. Baby seal, we gotta get here before Seal gets home. Yeah. Oh, you begin to talk now. You begin to talk now. Now I can see you. Come on, hide. Hey, what the heck? I don't know what you guys are even doing, but I don't even know what's happening. Well, we wanted to celebrate your birthday today so that we can go ahead and then we can celebrate your birthday without the presents. The presents? Yeah, you don't like presents, do you? I don't like presents. Yes, I do not like presents too. He doesn't like presents too. See, look. Little Johnny just gotta get ahead. He's over there, everybody. I need to get to the Shark Puppets family. I need to get there. I need a videotape. I'm gonna need to go, and then Seal Puppy can go. Okay, bye guys. Okay, the video's still resuming, but how does this video get all uploaded? I think that when we were searching up for green seals, I did find one. So it's linked in the description, as you can think. It's linked in the description. It actually is linked in the description. So you can get it for free at Wildlife Tree or Amazon.com. Go to those websites.com and then you'll get your free one. Right? The baby seal? Little Johnny? Yeah? He said his first word, but I think you guys heard that later. Like last time. Seal Puppet, when will the video end? The video will end and once we all eat cheese. Yeah, let's go ahead and find some cheese. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, I'm thinking, bite it! Hold on, the video isn't gonna end yet. That's gonna be that's all, folks. Goodbye. I'll end the video here. Goodbye, world.